That's what I dance to, yeah.
Oh! They're fighting out there. Fucking slap me, will you? You
Fuck off him now! What are you doing? Oi, he's got him measured now, fuck off!
He fucking slapped me!
Hey, I've told you not to bring him in here!
Off.
Hey, no, you fuck off, go out!
Here, have the fucking cigs!
You're fucking banned now, fuck off! Can't be fucked with us no more.
I want to do this. I want to do this.
I just want to know it's secure.
Our full fibre broadband comes with K-Com Power Shield as standard.
I want to relax.
Sure.
It's nothing really, it's just a hobby, a few splashes.
Interesting colours. Not very conceptual. A bit basic.
Excuse me?
Oh, pleasure to meet you.
Diana.
Ah, just like the dead princess.
Yes, I suppose.
Diana, forgive me if I'm wrong, but I thought that successful artists sold their paintings, not just hang them on their own walls.
Oh, sorry. Oh, so sorry. Diana. Do you know, you girls should meet my son George. You'd really get on.
Oh, yeah, we love
well, we really
love meeting
meeting
people,
people.
yeah.
Fuck the press. The press. The press.
Thanks, everyone. Sorry about the mic. Mum got me a shit one.
I have to use my magnifying glass. Painting this reusable cup where your man sat, taking in the cricket, having his brew. You don't throw the thing away, you know, you keep it and, you know, it could last you years. Or just changing the cricketer into a beekeeper. I'm never sure why beekeepers wear one, but they always seem to. You know, on a nice open hillside, catching the breeze. I reckon we're done.
We're just going to go and give some, you know, spread the festive spirit and give some gifts out.
Yeah, amen, amen.
To some unsuspecting fans.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Quite
Giving
nice.
back is the best feeling, you know?
Exactly.
Oh, ho, ho! Excuse me. Sorry to bother you, if you don't mind us being here. Myself, Mr. Cody Gakpo and Darwin Nunes have come to wish you a Merry Christmas. Are we okay to give you a present? Yeah. We just... Hello. Hiya, love. Well, do you know what?
He's coming in.
You can get two if you want.
we can go in, no?
What?
Oh, are we okay to walk over your path?
Yeah.
Can we take off our shoes for you, love?
Take off the shoes, take off the shoes.
Oh, you've got a lovely Kimbo film on as well for us.
Oh, my daughter's will go mad.
Tegan, can you look at me, please? Tegan. Tegan, can you look at me, please? Thank you. Now, without getting angry or raising your voice, just explain to me exactly what happened before you got here, because I'm just not following.
Told you, you ran away.
Okay, well, that's not what Freya says. And if we're all saying different things, the police are just going to get confused and they're not going to be able to do the job properly, are they?
I'm not fucking right though, am I? It was Freya.
Oh, it was Freya, was it? I thought you said you ran away. Tegan. Tegan, will you just look at me?
Oh my God, you devil! What else do you want to know?
Wow! Omari umepata viatu tuone baba. Wii, unajuaga gisi unaanza chini hivi. Wii. Unapenda upime? Pima kwanza. Wii. Leta kwanza.